Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a recorder that matches your goals. Choose OBS for control, Loom for speed. Once chosen, set resolution to 1920x 1080 and 3060 FPS so motion stays smooth. Make sure you grant microphone and screen permissions now, and select the correct input device. Do a quick 5-10 second test clip to confirm levels and background noise. Once done, close unrelated apps and set Do Not Disturb so notifications won't interrupt the recording. Now prepare the capture area and framing. Choose full screen or a cropped window in 16:9 for consistent exports. Next, enable system audio and your microphone, and optionally add your webcam overlay. Configure hotkeys for start, stop, pause, and add a shortcut to insert markers while recording. This saves editing time later. Check audio meters and adjust gain so peaks stay below clipping. Then run a short dry run to practice pacing and transitions. This reveals any missed steps. When you finish, stop the recorder and immediately save the raw file. Don't rely on autosave alone. Trim off dead air and mistakes, then export using H.264 MP4 for compatibility and choose a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Make sure to name and back up the source file before further edits. When sharing, upload to your platform and verify playback. If audio is out of sync, rewrap the audio track or rebuild the recording at a lower CPU setting. This fixes most sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.